Assalamu alaikum everyone, how have you been? I hope that you are really fantastic by the mercy of Almighty Allah, as well as I'm over the moon. Right now I'm standing under these banana trees because today's temperature is very high in my village. That's why I can't see even everything properly. It doesn't matter. I have to practice my English in front of the camera. Today in this video I want to share with you several matters. For that this video will be helpful for our every English learner. Many students they always ask me, brother, I'm English learner, I want to learn English very easily. For that you tell me how many minutes we have to practice English every single day. I will suggest you and I will request you. There is no specific time for practice our English. If you want to learn English very easily, first of all you have to practice English regularly. If you want to be a fluent speaker, you have to more practice English every single day. Then you can improve yourself. And how many minutes you have to practice your English? If you are free, you can practice English in a day 1 or 2 hours every day and regularly. Then you can improve yourself. Side by side, if you are interested to learn English, you can make English video in front of the camera. At the same time you can listen English speaking video. You know that I'm from countryside and at present I'm passing very busy time with my daily activities. For that at present I'm not being able to watch English speaking video. It doesn't matter. You know that I'm practicing my English like this way. At the same time I can describe anything in English. If you are interested to learn English like this way, you can practice English like this way, you can improve yourself. Side by side you will remember, if you more practice every day, you can improve your speaking skills very soon. If you don't practice your English regularly, you will not be able to improve yourself. So if you want to learn English from 2026, you can start your English journey. You can improve your speaking skills very easily. If you maintain your consistency, you can learn English very easily. Side by side, you know that English is not our mother tongue. For that you have to give 6 months to 1 year to learn English properly. If you do not give time 6 months, you will not be able to learn English quickly. For that you have to give some time to learn English quickly. For that they don't improve their speaking skills, they don't learn English very easily. For that if you are a beginner, you can practice English regularly. At the same time you can practice English for 1 hour, then you can improve your speaking skills. At present you are seeing my English speaking video. I'm from countryside. At present I'm describing anything in English very easily. Why I can't? Because when I was beginner at that time I practiced a lot. At the same time I want to share with you, I have been learning English last 20 months and it is my big journey, and I hope that one day I will be a fluent speaker. One day I will success in my life. For that at present I'm practicing my English anywhere. I'm practicing my English like this way. So keep practicing, keep learning. At the same time you can enjoy your valuable time with your English speaking partner. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.